In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to a menu on WordPress.com. Whether you're refreshing your website's navigation or ensuring your visitors can access the most important pages, updating menu links is a key step in keeping your site user-friendly. This process is simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to add, edit, and organize links on your WordPress menu with ease. If you're new to WordPress.com, you'll also find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in. To start, head over to WordPress.com and log in to your account. Logging in is essential because it grants you access to your WordPress dashboard, which is where all the magic of managing your site happens. Once you reach the homepage, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Now, if you prefer using your Google account to sign in, click on Continue with Google. This option can save you time, especially if you're already signed into your Google account on your browser. From there, simply choose the Google account linked to your WordPress site. This step ensures you're logging into the correct dashboard associated with your website. Once you're logged in, your WordPress dashboard will appear. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a panel. Look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This will take you directly to the customization area of your website, where you can make changes to how your site looks and functions. Inside the Site Editor, locate and click on your website. This will display your website as it currently appears to visitors. Here, you'll be able to view your site in real time and make adjustments with instant feedback. It's a great way to see exactly how your changes will impact the user experience. Next, find your existing menu on the site. Once you've located it, click on it to access the menu editing options. This is where you'll manage the structure of your menu, whether you want to add new items, remove outdated ones, or rearrange the order to prioritize key pages. Above the menu, you'll notice an option labeled Link. Clicking on this gives you the ability to create new links or modify existing ones. Whether you're linking to an internal page or an external website, this is the tool you'll need to make those adjustments. If you need to edit a specific link, simply click on the pencil icon located next to it. This icon opens up the edit mode for that particular menu item, allowing you to make changes quickly without affecting the rest of your menu structure. It's an efficient way to update one item at a time. While in edit mode, you can either paste the URL of the link you want to add or use the search functionality to find the specific page within your site that you'd like to connect. Searching can be particularly useful when you're linking to internal pages, as it eliminates the need to manually copy and paste URLs. This flexibility ensures you can create links for both internal and external destinations seamlessly. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click the Save button. Saving your work is crucial because it ensures that your updates are applied and visible on your live site. Now, just a quick tip here. Always double-check your links after saving to confirm they point to the correct destinations. This extra step can save you from any potential confusion down the road. And that's it. By following these steps, you now know exactly how to add and edit links in your WordPress menu. Keeping your navigation updated is a simple but powerful way to enhance your site's usability and ensure your visitors can access the content they need. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.